Hello! Oh my gosh, today is Saturday and when I arrived I found this at my door. Can you believe it's like today is Saturday the 8th? It's so quick! I'm so excited, trust me. I thought that I will have time to finish my all my projects from Knitcrate from the last week, but we will see. Now, remember that I told you that I was expecting to get one specific color? I don't know what I got. I opened here and now it's the surprise. So this is the Knitcrate for June. For June, monthly subscription, $25, included the sending, you know, the mailing. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I don't want to make like a shadow here. Let's do it this way. Oh my gosh, oh my god. Yes, I wanted this one. I wanted the lavender. Look at this, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so soft. Let's see which one is this. Vida Lana by Knitcrate. Vida Lana, Spanish, live yarn. And this is Vida Lana Aloft. Color weight, wee violets. 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, 32% organic cotton. DK weight, 274 yards. Suggest needles number 3 to 5, that will be 3.25 or 3.75 millimeters. Care, hand wash only, lay flat to air dry. All the Vida Lana yarns are made exclusively for Knitcrate. It's another Knitcrate yarn, and I will tell you that it's soft. And that's something that I look, because I have some of the yarns that are itchy, give me some kind of allergy, and I have to fight with that. And I will hate to have a nice beautiful yarn. What is going on here? Okay, it doesn't let me pull open. Oh, it's attached there. Okay, let's try the other one. Did they really did that with all of the yarns? Oh, never mind. Oh, look at this. Look at this, beautiful. It has like it has a little of purple and then lavender with a mix, like a little of white. This is a very different kind. If you see, it's like it was no in the regular way that you have the yarn. It has a little like if they work it in different way. I don't know too much about spinning, but this is a different kind of spinning for me. I never saw this one. The yarn looked like it was braided between each other. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can go closer. See, like mini braids. I don't know how is that is spinning this one, but it looks like it was a braid. It's so different. I liked the yarn. The color is beautiful. Totally what I was expecting to get. What I have here. Ooh, look at this. It's so pretty. It's a tape measure. It has like a fabric covering this. Very cute. It's not the first time that we get this kind of tape measure, but I am always to have more. I can show you the old one that I have, but I don't know where I will look for that. I like this. It's a nice touch that they put on the tape measure, and I am happy that they are giving these kind of goodies on the box. It makes extra special, you know. Now we have here Knitcrate inspirations. This was for the orange one. That I will be honest that I am happy that I didn't get the orange. So many orange projects and it's enough. The Vida Lana I love. The price is in retail is $24. and I think this was the other color. We have for knitting the road of lavender. Crochet you have the glooming afternoon, and for the socks they have these whimsical socks. It's more like a light color. This is a really beautiful shawl. I'm not sure if I will do the shawl because, you know, it's pretty, really pretty, but we will see. I will just see the pattern and I can use that pattern for another kind of design. This is the crocheted one, very cute, and this will be the socks one. Pretty simple. I can do that, but we're not doing socks. I did already socks. And for the next month, it's a theme pick. Circus, July 19. Very bright colors, very summery. Join the next round, Knitcrate. I see reds and yellows and greens. Pretty nice. I can see the main colors are red, green, and black. Yeah, I think that is what is coming. Red, green, black, white. Very pretty. I'm happy with what I got. This is the color that I really wanted to have. I will be looking for what I will work on this. So I love to use the yarns and sometimes mix with another colors so I can get the most of the yarn. I have to find something that will look really nice with that one. Let's see what it can be. It can be a real bolero for me, because the one that I'm doing now, let me see what happened with the previous projects. Project number 1, that was, since I reopened my Knitcrate, I got this beautiful yarn. You will think that I didn't use. I actually used, and I made these beautiful socks. I say beautiful because I love them. My first socks. I love them. I combined with red, and I love the color, more the combination, that I think having all these left, I think I will be doing beach purse with the same colors. It will look pretty and it will combine with my socks. I know, beach socks. No, I'm kidding. And that was my first time doing socks, following different kind of projects that I watch on YouTube. I put a tutorial. Well, it's not tutorial, it's just to show how I was creating these socks in my previous video. If you want to watch, if now, it's okay. And I'm happy what I got. So this is my complete project with this yarn, and look how much I got. I still having a lot, and I have a lot of the red one, so it will be like a very nice purse or bag that I will get from here. The other yarn that I got, so this is project number 1, was this one, and so I was doing my first bolero. I guess my measurements are for another kind of yarn, because this is the sleeve, and I think this will be more for a little girl than me. Look at that. Oh my god. So the design is something that I was just working by myself. If you see, the colors just go plain, and I was trying to do something like a ombre color coming out from there, and I follow exactly the measures and everything. Well, not exactly. I actually give more stitches than what it said on the measurement, trying to get my bolero going. But this one is half of my size, and I put extra stitches. So what is wrong in this is, like, the bolero that was created on the video was with a yarn that was more thick than this, something really thick, and this is so thin, you know, that Now I have like a mini bolero. Like maybe my niece will be able to wear this. I don't think that even my niece will be able to wear. This is like for a toddler. It's so small. So I think maybe I will think, I don't have anybody that is younger in my family anymore. My niece is 13 years old, and this is not even for her. She's very tall, skinny, but very tall, and this is like a doll size or like toddler size. So maybe I will have to take off all the yarn and think in something different, or wait for something that will work good. We will see. Maybe a hat can be nice. So this is the other yarn, and a project that is the third time that I'm trying to do with different size and everything, and I'm giving up. I noticed that I will not be able to get all that I need from this yarn, so I will create something different. We will see. I have to finish a lot of projects, and I want to work with my new yarn that Knitcrate sent me, because it will be beautiful. It is a really beautiful yarn. So, and I'm happy that they are sending also some goodies, because they used to do that. If you see this one, that was 2014 box that they send, or goodies that they send. It comes with a lot of extra goodies, and also one of the tape. So it's very similar to that. It has many years with me. Came with also all these stitch markers, these tiny scissors, and another stuff that I have around that I'm using. But it was a very cute way to have a mini. And when I go to work, I keep this on my bag, on my project bag, because it has everything. If you need tape measure, if you need the scissors, if you need a little crochet, look at this. It's a tiny crochet thing. Then you have the tape measure, you have the stitch markers. These were the ones that came with the box. The others are extra. This is what hold the scissors on place. Yep, they really used to do a lot of these kind of things, and it was amazing. This is like a hook. I'm telling you, I love the box. It's so many years that I have the box. This is just a little water damage, but now they are finally doing again. The previous one we got the stitch marker that I can modify so it can work for different projects. I put a little hook there so it's easy to use. And also we got the some bottoms or something, but it was nice. So this is my Knitcrate, my future project. I'm not sure what I will create. I will see something really nice with this beautiful yarn. It's so pretty and so soft, and I love it. And that will be everything for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.